Hey guys, I'm Gary Spencer. I'm the founder of the Great British Barber Bash. This is the Heist dryer, absolutely amazing. Love the shape and style of it. It's perfectly ergonomical and really easy to use. The position of the buttons is really effective. We can use those quite easily. There are 4 heat settings, 3 speed settings. The nozzle is a game changer. We have a nozzle that doesn't heat up, which is really helpful. If you're a barber out there that's got a hot nozzle, it's something you really don't want. We have a great 3-meter cable on it, so that helps us avoid tangling up. It's got a 1650 watt motor, a brushless motor, so it's really powerful. It's only about 410 grams as well, so it's lightweight, but it still feels really great quality. It has a great innovation. It's got H Protect. So this button in the middle here, when we press that on, it toggles between hot and cold. And as we know with men's hair, we tend to point the dryer quite directly at the scalp, so we don't want that to be too hot. It can also damage the hair. When styling the hair, it's that cold setting that locks the hair in place. So we heat it up to mold it, and then we cool it down to hold it. So that's the Heist dryer, absolutely fantastic bit of kit. I've been using it now for about 8 months. Very robust. It's been all around the world with me. Super powerful, absolutely love it. And that's it.